My name is Gala. In my video, I'm going to share easy biscuit recipe. I tried 2 different brands of self-raising flour, and White Lili is my favorite. I suggest to sift flour because it's break up lumps created from storage. I gradually adding cream to my flour. Mix flour and cream as you can in a mixing bowl, then transfer to table. Our dough needs to be very soft, don't overwork with flour. I roll in my dough 1 inch thick. As a guide, I use 1 inch tall cookie cutter. When we cut biscuits, don't twist it, and I show you result later compared to others. Just simply press. I use cutter 2 3/4 inches size. When I reshape cutouts, I just gently press it. I grease hot baking pan with butter so my biscuits don't stick to bottom. Make sure biscuits touch each other on the sides. I mark my twisted biscuit. Bake in preheated 450 Fahrenheit oven for 15-20 minutes. Now time to test them by my husband. Okay, I'm not starting taping yet. Tell something.
You haven't started yet.
Yes.
Well, I'm waiting for you to start.
Okay, now I start.
Homemade biscuits, so good. I love.
Cool biscuits completely, then wrap in wax paper. Remember to label it with date when it's frozen. To reheat 1 or 2 biscuits, I use usually microwave. Frozen biscuits I wrap in a paper towel and then microwave. Visit my website for more recipes.